Hey guys, as you see in the picture, Zepto is giving free cash, absolutely 1000 rupees plus free gift. You have 29 rupees store plus 200 off coupon. Also, a free gift is available on the occasion of Mother's Day. When you buy Cadbury's gift pack, Giva voucher would be given. So this is the free gift. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see here, ice creams are available at 40% off on Zepto. You can check out. This is absolutely, delicious and super delicious. This is Milky Mist ice cream bar or ice cream stick, whatever you call. This has got almond flavor coated with a chocolate layer. You can see the almond bites and the chocolate layer, and you will really enjoy the feel of an almond ice cream because it gives so. Here you can see the ice cream chocolate shots, and this is superb. Have more ice cream that I have ever tasted. Do enjoy the school offers in summer. As you see here, this ice cream is just 9 rupees. You can enjoy. And the next we have cream pot vanilla magic ice cream. You have the tub here at 40% off. You can check out on Zepto. And please do check out the flash deals and the offers more in the evenings. And let me tell you, you have the Mother's Day offers as well. Here comes the Magnum ice cream. This is also an almond flavored ice cream coated with a chocolate layer and the almond bites that goes into it, and you have the feel of crunchy, flavorful chocolate almond ice cream. As you see here, you can check out this cocoa powder on Zepto. Now we'll see how to get free gift and free cash. Go to Zepto app. You have 50 off on Zepto, and you can scroll down. You have 200 off on Zepto Super Saver. When you scroll down, you can click on banner of Mother's Day gift. You can add to cart Cadbury's gift pack of rupees 199 and get Giva voucher rupees 500 as a gift. You can come down and see this unlock rewards. You can click on that and spin the wheel as shown in the picture. I've got here the coupon of Mamaearth flat 100% cashback. You can copy the code and apply at the site to get 100% cashback. You can come back and click on exclusive rewards, and here again you can spin the wheel and try to get a Zepto free cash or coupons. Here I have got Giva jewellery coupon. You can copy the code and click on claim now. You can add to the account Giva jewellery as shown in the picture and apply the coupon as shown here that was previously copied, and check out. You can come back and check with 80% off store. You can click on that and shop from this clearance store, as you can win an iPhone as well as shown in the picture. So here I'm adding to the cart the products. You have under 99 rupees also, so you can add to cart and get back, and don't miss ice creams. So you can click on ice creams as shown in the picture and add to the cart the ice creams you want and go to view cart, and here you can see you can apply free cash. 50 free cash is given. You can apply it and go to coupons and apply Super Saver 200 coupon as shown in the picture and check out. That's it all for today. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.